Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make goat bone broth. Roast the bones until browned, then transfer to a large pot and cover with cold water. Add vinegar, aromatics, and vegetables to help pull minerals from the bones, then simmer gently for 12 hours or more. Skim occasionally, strain when done, and cool to remove fat. Store chilled or freeze in portions for easy use in soups and sauces. Start by cleaning and trimming the bones, removing large fatty pieces to avoid an overly greasy finish. Place bones on a baking sheet and roast at 425 degrees F until they develop deep brown color and caramelized edges for rich flavor. If possible, split or crack large bones to expose marrow and increase surface area, which helps release collagen faster when simmering. Let roasted bones cool slightly before transferring to your stock pot. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful cooking videos. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with these leak-proof containers that stack neatly and prevent messy spills when freezing broth, which saves time and fridge space. They are great for portioning single cups or multi-serving batches and make reheating straightforward. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Transfer roasted bones to a heavy pot and cover with cold water about 2 inches over bones, then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to help extract minerals. Bring to a gentle simmer and maintain low heat. Avoid rapid boiling, which cloudies the broth. Add onions, carrots, celery, and a few peppercorns for balanced flavor, seasoning lightly since broth reduces. Simmer for 12 to 24 hours, strain well, cool, and refrigerate or freeze in portions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.